What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price right now is dumping all the way down potentially to my price target of just below 58,000 US dollars. In today's video, I want to talk about exactly what is happening, what I think is going to be happening in the future as well, because we have some really interesting on-chain data right here. And of course, an update about my trade, which is 26,000 US dollars in a profit. As always, guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. I truly do appreciate it. To give back as well, I'm going ahead and giving away $100 every single Monday. So drop your comments down below saying literally anything and you are entered to win that giveaway. As always, guys, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. And if you do want to go ahead and consult a legal financial advisor, do so, because I am not a financial advisor. So let's get into the video. First of all, let's take a look at the hourly chart, and it looks like Bitcoin is dumping. We are seeing approximately a 4% dump in the past 5 days from the local peak right here at $66,900. It's worth mentioning that we did in fact see a lower high right here. I mentioned it in yesterday's video. We're seeing a lower high right now at this current peak than we previously did. This is a warning sign if you are in a long position or if you are bullish on Bitcoin in the short term, because we've seen a lower high right here, just like we saw previously here, just like we saw a lower high. We can in fact see a potential reversal back down, at least down to the 61K level right here. But what's going to be very, very important in the next few days and hours, guys, is are we going to see a break below this exact level here, $63,750? Are we going to see a break below this level? If we do, that would wipe out the previous low right there, and we could potentially then continue all the way down here to low 58K, or at least high 57K. So that's what you need to keep in mind in the next few hours if we are going to see a break below that. Keep an eye on the chart. I am currently in my trade over on Ubit, which is an exchange I'm trading on predominantly right now, which currently has no KYC as of watching this. Of course, only sign up to this exchange if it's legal to do so in your own country. And yeah, my trade currently $26,600 in a profit. Previously, this trade was in a very nice profit. However, I kept in the trade. As I said, I did. I have my top stop loss set right here up at approximately 67,000. I'm sticking to my game plan, and my trade is currently, as you can see right there, in a very lovely profit. Also, you can see I have an open order down here, $46,000 with around 16.3 Bitcoin on a 3x leverage, and I'm hoping to get a rough entry point for a long position somewhere between the bottom. If you did want to go ahead and join Ubit, the link is down below. There is no KYC, but only join if it's legal to do so in your country. So whatever country you're in, just check if it's legal and then go ahead and join. We can see down below you can deposit $100 and get $1,000 trade voucher as well. And there's also a Ubit trading tutorial as well if you wanted to see more about what the exchange is about. There's also a group down here which is called Chart Chasers, completely free group where I kind of journal my trades which I'm taking. The last trade was just below $200 in a profit, so go ahead and join down below if you were interested in that. Let's take a look at now some of the on-chain data, because we can see right here that Bitcoin has just entered the deep oversold territory for the first time since 2023 cycle bottom. Now, this doesn't mean we're exactly at the bottom right now. However, we can see previously back here in 2023, we did enter this range, we bounced around it, and we went back into this range. But once we're in this range, this usually signals some kind of a bottom, or some kind of we are near the bottom. That's exactly what it signals. And again, we can see right here, we have now, since the first time since 2023, entered that range. So this should start to get very, very interesting for Bitcoin in the next few days. Leave a comment down below with your opinion on this. Do you believe this chart? Do you think it's a load of BS? And that will enter you to win that $100. Also, I want to take a look at this because this is very, very interesting. A lot of people are saying, go away from crypto, come back in October. That's when we're finally going to have the end of this bear market and start to move in towards a bull market. But we can see right here, Blocksworks research, the BTC scenario ensemble, we can see it is predicting a bottom around Q4 of this year 2026, and honestly it doesn't seem too unreasonable. It also predicts the bottom to be around 50K, give or take, give or take high 40s or low 50s, which is exactly what I've been saying over the past few months for you guys on the channel, guys. That's exactly why my target is set to 46k to enter a long position. Potentially I may set a few more targets, maybe 48, 50, 52, 54, even maybe 44. Who knows? I could get a crazy entry, which would be amazing. But again, it shows a top potential right here of about $230,000 in the 25th to 75th percentile, and in the 10th to 90th percentile we can see right here, it's showing that level, and in the 25th to 75th potential percentile it's showing approximately a high of 200, but an average of about, I would say, probably 150 to 170 in that range. Again, let me know down below if you agree with this. And also, finally, we have had a red day. ETF flows have once again turned negative, guys, with the outflows replacing inflows. According to social value, we can see right here, previously we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positive inflows for Bitcoin, coinciding when we were seeing the price going from down here at the 1st of July up here to this level right here at 68, 67k. We can see now we have finally had a negative inflow right there. Again, doesn't necessarily mean just because there's a negative inflow that the price is down. It's much more complicated than that. We can't just look at the chart and say the price is down a bit, there's been a negative inflow. It's really not that simple. But overall, I think wait to see what's going to happen with this 63.750k level right there. I'm really interested to see, again, if we do in fact break that, we could start to see some form of a line like so. If we were in fact to break that, again, it could form some form of a ascending channel right there, and again we could bounce up and retest this level right here at 67,400. So very exciting stuff, guys. Again, I'm sticking in my trade, which is currently around 26,000 or 27,000 even now. It's gone up $1,500 since the start of the video. That's amazing. It's why I love trading. Again, still in my trade. I'm going to continue in it. If you did want to go ahead and join, and it's legal to do so in your country, there is a link down below for UBIT. You can go ahead and join and do so, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys.